In this video, I will show you how to import the Homere data in the Human Resources matrix. First, let's check quickly the PlanIfNat tab. As you can see, we have two types of lines. The white ones, they are imported from Homere. It means that the position exists in the Homere payroll or has existed. The yellow ones, they are the manual lines that you should plan for the unfilled positions. Each month, you will have to review your staff between the filled and the unfilled positions. At the beginning of the month, you have to update your current positions by importing your Homere staff. For this, go back on the Settings tab and on the right, double-click on the button Import Homere Staff Data. Then choose the Homere payroll you need to import. It will always be the past month's payroll. Here it is March. Homere is imported. Now we go back on the PlanIfNat tab and we can start reviewing our staff's positions. To be aware of the changes that have been made during the past month, we can help us with the column F import status. As you can see, we have different types of status. If nothing is written, it means that no changes have been made for the position last month. The status change means that the position of the person has changed. This is also an historical line. You can't change it. For his new position, you will have a new line just on the top with the new position. Here, Miriam has changed of position and became prescribing nurse instead of midwife. We also have the updated status. Updated lines are positions for which a change has occurred. For instance, the person is affected to another activity. Here we have the example of Umar Balama, who is since last month affected to the clinic mobile activity. In case of updated line, I advise you to write in column comments CM the change that has occurred. Indeed, there isn't any historic line for this kind of status. And finally, we have the status new. Here we have two new positions. One is linked to the change of position of Miriam Carrette, and the other one is a position with a new person, Kim Manoy, a midwife. For each new position, you will have to indicate the budget referent. Indeed, this information doesn't exist in Homere payroll. For those two lines, the budget reference to add in column S will be the medical team leader. When we compare those new lines with the manual lines planned, we can see that the post of prescribing nurse was already planned. In this case, we have to keep the row but delay the FTEs planned in the forecast months. Otherwise, they will be counted twice in our budget. For this, we have to go back on the Settings tab and change the first month of forecast to March. This way, we can delete all the planned FTEs. We come back to the first month of forecast, April. And in comments, we can add the name of the new staff, Miriam Carrette.